Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Pixelverse dashboard to Bybit in 2025. Let's jump right into it. First, open up your Pixelverse dashboard using the Telegram app. At the top, you'll see the wallet icon right next to the question mark. Tap on the wallet icon. Now you'll see a list of wallets. Look for Bybit and tap on it. You'll ask if you have a Bybit account, and of course, you'll need one to make the connection. So go ahead and tap yes, I have it. Next, head over to Bybit, grab your USDT wallet addresses. Open Bybit and click on the Assets tab. At the bottom, tap on the Deposit and select Deposit Crypto. Search for USDT, you'll see different options. We want the USDT on the Ethereum network, so select that. At the top, you'll see the USDT Ethereum address. Copy this address and head back to the Pixelverse. Now in the Pixelverse tab on the input area and paste your USDT wallet address. Then at the bottom, hit Made It, and just like that, your wallet is connected. Tap on, and that's it. You're all set. And that's it. Your Pixelverse dashboard is now connected to Bybit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.